Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Junction, and today we are going to start with IMO preparation, and I'm going to do sums from workbook by MTG, and so let's get started. So first we are starting with chapter number system. So I think it will be a long video. I have to solve all the sums, or maybe it will be divided in two parts, so please keep watching. So first question is 2 raised to power x minus 3 into 3 raised to power 2x minus 8 is equal to 36. So we have to find the value of x here. So what we'll do is first we'll make the prime factors of 36. So prime factors of 36 are 2 into 2 raised to power 2. Wait, it's 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So these are the prime factors. So we can write them as 2x minus 3 into 3 2x minus 8. It will be equal to 2 into 3, like this, right? So now what we have to do is, see, here is 2, here is 2, here is 3, here is 3. So we'll do two cases, case 1 and case 2. Case 1 is for 2 and case 2 is for 3. So it is 2x minus 3 will be equal to 2 raised to power 2. So 2 and 2 cancels out. X minus 3 will be equal to 2. X will be equal to 5, right? After that, this it will be same, but still we are solving it. So 3 and 3 cancel. 2x minus 8 will be equal to 2. So 2x will be equal to 10 and x will be equal to 5. So x is 5 in both the cases. It means x is equal to 5. So this was question number 1. So this is question number 2, and in this we have to find the value of n. So what we'll do is, first we'll square all these, so that in order to remove this one, this square root. So we'll square first root 5 plus 2 plus root 5 minus 2 whole square. So after that, squaring this also, and minus so let's solve it further. So after solving this whole, the n will be equal to 1. So A part is our answer. After that, let's move on to question 3. So in question 3, we have to express the mixed recurring decimal 4.32 raised to 2 bar in the form of P by Q. So this is a normal question which is present in NCERT. So let's suppose x is equal to 4.32222 and so on. And now this is equation 1. So multiply 1 by 10, because only one digit is repeating. 10x will be equal to 43.222, like this. This is equation 2. And after that, subtract 1 from 2. So 10x minus x, 43.222 minus 4.322, 9x will be equal to, so let me calculate it. So it's equal to 38.9, and now from here x will be equal to 389 upon 90, right? So this is our answer. Now let's move to question 4. So in question 4, we are given that x is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3, and we have to find x plus 1 by x. So it's a normal question. We have done it in a simple chapter also. So first of all, we'll find the value of 1 by x. So 1 by x will be 1 plus 7, right? And now multiplying it by 7 minus 4 root 3, 7 minus 4 root 3. So 7 minus 4 root 3 upon, this will be equal to 49 minus 48. It will be equal to 7 minus 4 root 3, because 49 14 minus 48, 1 is 1. So 1 by x we have. Now we have x, so x plus 1 by x will be equal to 7 plus 4 root 3 plus 7 minus 4 root 3. So this cancels out. 7 plus 7, 14. So 14 is our answer for question number 4. So this is question 5, and we have to find the value of this whole expression. So we all know the process. We have to multiply this one by root 10 minus root 3 and so on. So I am quickly writing the answer because it can be solved easily. So the final answer will be equal to 1 after solve this all. Now moving on to question 6, we have to find the rationalizing factor of this. So the rationalizing factor should be so that this 5 cancels out. If we write it as normally, it will be a square b cube c4 1 by 5. So we have to make these powers 5 so that this 5 and this 5 cut down. So what we'll do is we'll multiply this with make this. When we multiply, the powers get added. So 2, what should be added to 2 so that it becomes 5? It will be 3, obviously. Now for b it will be 2, and for c it will be 1 only. So when we multiply this, it will be a2 b3 c4 a3 b2 c. So it is basically equal to ABC. See how? Let me explain. Because when we add all these powers, like these 2, 3, 4s each, so it will be equal to A5, B5, C5, and when it's taken common ABC5 and it's 1 by 5 as I told earlier, so it will be cut. So ABC comes now. So the rationalizing factor, this is the rationalizing factor for which we multiplied this, right? So a cube b square c is the rationalizing factor for this. Hope you understood this question. Now let's move to next question. So in question 7, we have to find rational number minus 18 by 5 lies between which consecutive integers. So what we'll do simply is, we'll express it in the decimal form. So in decimal form it will be equal to minus 3.6. After that, in between which numbers it lies? The consecutive numbers. So the consecutive numbers are minus 3 and minus 4, right? It lies between minus 3 and minus 4. अब आप ये तो नहीं कह सकते कि 5 और 6 के बीच में है, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. सो बेसिकली minus 3 by 4. It's very simple. You have to just express it in decimal form. So for the next question number 8, we had to find an irrational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. So I have written these options over here. So any one of these is the irrational number lying between these two. So first, if we see this, it will be equal to 1 by 2 into 3 by 7. So it's 3 by 14. So it's a rational number. So this option is not there. After that, when we calculate this, it will be 3 by 49. So it's again rational number. After that, when we calculate this, it will be equal to 2 by 49. Again, it will be equal to root 2 by 7. So this is rational number, hence C is the option. None of these is not the option. So 8th is the correct. For 8th question, C part is the correct option. So in 9th question, we have to find the denominator of this expression. So इसमें हमें सिर्फ denominator से मतलब है, हम पता है इसको हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा ऊपर, बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग प्रोसेस है. हमें सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर से तो हम देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर आइडेंटिटी लग रही है. फर्स्ट हम इनको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे क्योंकि हमें सिर्फ इसी से ही मतलब है. वी डोंट नीड द अपर पार्ट्स, विल नॉट कैलकुलेट एंड वेस्ट आवर टाइम. सो जब हम देखते हैं यहाँ पर प्रॉपर्टी लग रही है क्या, a माइनस बी ए प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वेयर माइनस बी स्क्वेयर, राइट, ये लग रही है. तो अब हमारा a यहाँ पर a ही है और b हमारा ये है, तो इट विल बी ए स्क्वेयर माइनस इसका होल स्क्वायर. सो ए स्क्वायर माइनस ये वाला इससे और ये वाला कट जाएगा एंड ये सेम रह जाएगा एंड माइनस ये प्लस हो जाएगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस. सो ए स्क्वायर कट हो जाएगा, बी स्क्वायर रह जाएगा. तो हमारा डिनोमिनेटर, वी हैव गॉट आवर डिनोमिनेटर. वी डिड नॉट नीड दिस, सो वी आर नॉट सॉल्विंग दिस एट. So this was the solution for question 9. Let's move to next question. Now in question 10 we have to find the ascending order of the surds which are given. So first of all what we'll do, listen it carefully, we'll find the LCM of 3, 6 and 9. So the LCM goes 18. Now we have to reduce the given surds in surds of order 18. So what we'll do is, first one is this one. So it's basically 2 raised to by 1 by 3, right? If we write it, now we have to make its this part 18. So we'll multiply it by 6 by what should be multiply 6. So it will be we can take this as 2 raised to power 6, this common, and this as 18 here, right? So it's the first one. So 2 raised to power 6 is basically 64. So 18, 64. After that similarly we'll do this one. So it's basically 3, 1 by 6. So it will be multiplied by 3 and 3. So it will be 18 here, and when we multiply 3 raised by 3 will be there, so it will be finally equal to 27. Now taking this, we have to it is basically 4, 1 by 9, right? Now we'll multiply it by 2 by 2, so that the third becomes 18. So 18 here, 4 raised to power 2, so it's 16. Now we can easily find the ascending order. So the ascending order for this will be this first, it will be this first, after that it will be, wait, yeah, I'm writing it right, 6, 3, and after that last this. So this was the solution for question number 10. So in 11th question we have to find the greater number from these two. So what we'll do is we'll just find the square roots. So this will be equal to for first 3.3 minus its 2.4, so it's equal to 0.9. And after that next one, so it was for this one. Now for this one, it's equal to 4.1 minus 3.4, that is 0.7. It means root 11 minus root 6 is greater than this. So this was solution for question 11. So the question 12 is, we have to find the value of x here. It's similar to question number 1. 5x minus 3 into 3 2 minus 8 will be equal to 225. Now we'll first form the factors for this. So these are the prime factors formed, but we'll now write it in this form. 3 square into 5 square. Now two cases, case 1, case 2. So for case 1, 5x minus 3 will be equal to 5 and 5 cancel, x will be again equal to 5. Now this time I'm not solving this case, you can solve it by yourself, but I am sure with my answer x is equal to 5. So this is question 13, in which we have to find the value of this part. Some of you might be confused that we have to multiply this 27 times. So no, it is not there. See this option C, we can make use of it, right? 1 by 3 we can write it as, it is our question, and then what we can do is we can write 115 we can take from this. It will be what will be left with us will be 26, because we have taken 1 here, and here 3 same. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 into 15 raised to power 26. So C part is our option. It's very easy, just look at once on the options. Now in question 14 we are given this and we have to find this and this. So what we'll do is first find the value of 1 by x. So I clearly know the value of 1 by x will be 2 plus root 3. So it's oral calculation, basically it's not at all difficult. So we'll find x plus 1 by x first. So this will be directly, if I calculate, it will be equal to 4. After that we need to find x minus 1 by x. So x minus 1 by x will be equal to minus 2 root 3. After that x 1 by x square. So x plus 1 by x square will be equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. So x plus 1 by x value I know 4. So 4 squared 16, and after x square this I have to find. So it's here 2, it will be here 14 if I minus it. So x square plus 1 by x square will be equal to 14. After that I have to find the value of x square minus 1 by x square. It is equal to x minus 1 by x and x plus 1 by x. This we clearly know. X minus 1 by x is minus 2 root 3 and we have to multiply it by x plus 1 by x, which is 4. So when we multiply it, it will be equal to minus 8 root 3. So these are the answers for question number 14. So 15 question is actually oral. Which of the following statements is incorrect? So I'll read it out for you. Every integer is a rational number. So A part के लिए हमें दिया है every integer is a rational number. So it is correct. We have to find the incorrect. Okay, B part, every natural number is an integer, so it's also correct. After that, every natural number is a real number, so yes. After that, D part, every real number is a rational number, so absolutely wrong. So 15th part, D option is incorrect. So in question 16 we have to find the values of A and B. So we all know the process, I guess so. So I'll multiply it by root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 will be equal to A minus B root 3. So squaring it, it will be equal to 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3, and then squaring it, it's 3 minus 1 and A minus B root 3 here same. After that it will be equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 and 3 minus 1 is 2, A minus B root 3. Now let's divide them first. 2 1s are 2, so 2 minus and 2 and 2 cut, root 3 will be equal to A minus B root 3. So here A will be equal to 2 and B will be equal to 1 because here it's 1 only. So A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 1. Question 17 is actually a waste of time. The question is which of the following numbers has a terminating decimal representation. So it's basically upon you whether you want to solve this or not. If I were you in your place, then I might have left it out and तुक्का मार दिया होता. तो अभी के लिए D part is the right option. So question 18 is a very simple question, but at the same time it's very important. The question is the number x is equal to this thing and can be expressed in the form of x is equal to p by q, where p and q are positive integers having no factors. Then p plus q equals to what? So first we'll find the value of x. So x is equal to 1.2424 and so on. This is equation 1. Since two digits are repeating, multiply 1 by 100. So it's 100x will be equal to 124.2424 and so on. It's 2 equation. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. It will be 99x minus 123. X will be equal to 123 by 99. So when we simplify it, when we cut it, it will be equal to 41 by 33. Now we have to find p plus q. So it is p and it is q here. So p plus q, 41 plus 33, it is equal to 74. So p plus q is equal to 74. So in the 19th question we are given that if x and y are positive real numbers, then which of the following statement is correct? correct. So here this is absolutely wrong because when it's minus, so the system changes. So basically this is the right answer because it's absolutely correct. So that's right. These are absolutely wrong. So B part is correct. Moving on to 20th question. So in 20th question we are given x is this and we have to find the value of x minus 1 by x square. So x is equal to 1 minus root 2. We'll find the value of 1 by x. 1 by 1 minus root 2. So 1 by x is directly, I'm writing it directly equal to minus 1 minus root 2. After that x minus 1 by x whole square. So it will be equal to x is equal to 1 minus root 2 and minus sign again, and it will be positive and again positive and then square. So the final answer will be 2 square, that is equal to 4. So 4 is the correct answer. So these 20 questions from mathematical reasoning are completed now, and we are gonna start the last 5 questions from achievers section that are also known as hot. So let's get started. The 21st question is very long and I'm just reading it out. It's 1 by 1 plus root 2, 1 by 1 plus root 2 plus root 3 and so on. Like this is an NCRT book also, I guess so. So direct answer we already know it's 1 because the same question is from NCRT. So I don't, why we waste time calculating it once again. So basically 1 is the answer for this. Now moving on to 22nd question, it's which of the following statements is correct. So I'm reading out the statements. If a is a rational number and b is irrational, then a plus b is irrational. After that I think it's correct because if a is a rational number, let a be 6 and b is a rational b is an irrational number. It's root 2. A plus b will be equal to 6 plus root, so that's definitely correct. It's irrational. After that the product, it's for a part. After that for b part, the product of a non-zero rational number with an irrational number is always irrational. So once rational number is 6 and irrational number is root 2, so the product is always irrational number. So yeah, it's correct. After that c part, addition of any two irrational numbers can be rational. So let's say root 2 plus root can be rational, right? So basically if we think for this question, I think root 4 can be taken. So it will be first of all it will be 2 plus 2, right? It will be 4. So yeah, it's possible that it can be rational. After that d part, division of any two integers is an integer. So integer is this, and after that if I take let's say I take, what should I take? If it's let's say it's 19, let's take 3, so it will be in decimals. That's not at all an integer, so this is the incorrect option. 23rd, 24th and 25th questions are basically fill in the blanks and simple questions which I'm not gonna discuss because these are not at all important. Yeah, these are important, but I think these are normal and can be done easily. So this was it for this video, and I've covered first chapter from IMO class 9 Olympiad workbook, number systems. So hope you like this video, and in the next video we'll start off with chapter 2 polynomials. So stay tuned for it, and we'll meet soon in the next video. If you haven't watched my previous videos, then do watch them. I've given RD Sharma solutions also, so if you're looking for them, then check out my channel properly. Thank you for watching.